Hello! Today, we're sharing valuable insights to make your next move a breeze. Moving can be overwhelming, but fear not. With our expertise, we will uncover common moving mistakes and provide essential tips. One common mistake is inadequate planning. To avoid this, start planning well in advance. Create a checklist, set deadlines, and allocate tasks for a smooth transition. Do not forget to declutter before packing. Sort through your belongings and donate, sell, or discard anything you no longer need. It will save you time, money, and energy. Research and hire a reputable moving company. Read reviews, compare prices, and verify their credentials. A reliable moving company will alleviate stress and handle your belongings with care. Pack strategically. Label boxes by room and contents for easy unpacking. Proper organization is key to a stress-free move. Consider hiring professionals for tasks that require expertise. Moving heavy furniture or fragile items can be risky and arduous. Your safety and peace of mind are worth it. Notify important parties about your move. Inform utility providers, post office, banks, and other relevant institutions in advance for a seamless transition of services. Do not underestimate packing supplies. Ensure you have ample boxes, packing tape, bubble wrap, and other necessary materials. It's better to have extras than to run out halfway through. Label fragile items. Clearly mark boxes containing delicate items and communicate this to your movers. Reduce the risk of accidents by handling them with care. Do not forget insurance coverage. Accidents happen, so check if your moving company offers insurance or consider obtaining it separately. Protecting your belongings should always be a priority. Remember to plan ahead, declutter, hire a reputable moving company, and stay organized for a successful move. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. Courtesy of Budget Movers and Storage in Sacramento, California. Good luck with your upcoming move.